Applying for Discover credit card is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can apply for Discover credit card. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at my Google and I'm going to search for Discover credit card. Now after that, I will see this page. You have to go to this website, which is discover.com credit/card. So I'm going to click on this and I will be at this page. Now here you have to select whatever the credit card that you want to buy. As you guys can see, type different options. So you just need to select the right one for yourself. So I'm just going to go with the first one and I'm going to click on this apply now. Now it will take you to this page. Now here it will want you to fill these information in order to, save you some time. But if you don't want to fill this right here, you can simply click on skip this step. Now after clicking here, you will see this option, whatever the design that you want to select. After that, you have to add your name, your home address, and all the things. After, doing all the things, you just simply have to submit it. Your application will be submitted. And after some time, they'll get back to you and they will reply if they accept it or not. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.